Good morning everyone. I'm James Lester Bicole from DCPET 31. Today I'm doing a reflection regarding GDPR cases. Number 1, what is the case all about? 2, what are the facts of the case? 3, what are the issues on the case? 4, what is the ruling of the EU court? 5, what are your takeaways from this case? 1. What is the case all about? The cases revolve around organization that violated the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, a law enacted by the European Union in May 2018 to protect the privacy and personal data of its residents. The violations stem from inefficient data security measure, lack of transparency, improper handling of user consent and retention, or misuse of personal data. What are the facts of the case? Number 2, what are the facts of the case? British Airways 2018, a cybersecurity lapse redirected user to fraudulent website exposing sensitive data of 500,000 customers. Marriott International Hotel 2018, hacker accessed the personal information of over 300 million customers due to a weak system. Google 2019, non-transparent and ambiguous privacy policies led to user data being used for targeted ads without explicit consent. Austrian Post 2019 sold data including political preferences without customer consent. 1&1 Telecom GmbH 2019, insufficient authentication at call centers enable unauthorized access to customer data. 3. What are the issues in the case? Failure to secure computer data leading to breaches or unauthorized access. Lack of transparency in data processing and privacy policies. Inadequate mechanism to obtain and document user consent. Non-compliance with GDPR mandates for data retention and minimization. Absence of robust technical and organizational measure to ensure data protection. 4. What is the ruling of the EU court? The EU imposed significant fines on the companies, emphasizing the importance of GDPR compliance. British Airways 4.6 million for weak cybersecurity practices. Euro po, 200.6 million euro. Marriott International 110.3 million euro for inadequate system protection. Google 50 million euro for non-transparent data processing. Austrian Post 18.5 million for unauthorized data selling. Deus Wohnen SE 14.5 million for unjustified data retention. 1&1 Telecom GmbH 9.5 million euro for inefficient data and authentication measure. These rulings underscore the EU's strict enforcement of GDPR to protect consumer rights. 5. What are your takeaways from this case? Or as a computer engineering student, ang una po is data protection is critical. Organization must prioritize robust cybersecurity measures to safeguard personal data. 2 or next po is transparency matters. Clear and concise communication with user about how their data is perceived is essential. Consent is key. Explicit user consent must be obtained and documented before collecting or processing personal data. Retention policies. Data should only be stored as long as necessary and with proper justification. Proactive compliance. Regular audits, staff training, and adherence to the data protection standards are vital to avoid legal and financial repercussions. Global implication. GDPR sets a high standard that influences data protection regulation worldwide, emphasizing the need for universal compliance.